back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessie. I'm a busy stay-at-home mom of 2 teenagers. They are in all kinds of activities and they run me all over the place. Today's video is actually sponsored by Home Chef. They sent me this box of goodies to try out for you guys. I am so excited because, as you know, I love to meal plan. I love to not have to think about what's for dinner. So them sending me this is amazing. I cannot wait. So let's just dive right in. Home Chef's website was very easy to order, and also I love the fact that it has 18 weekly meal options to choose from, so I chose mine. If you're interested in checking out Home Chef for yourself, I have a link in the description box below where you can get $20 off your first 4 orders. I was so excited to find my food waiting for me when I got home from my errands today. I cannot wait to bring it inside and open it up and see all the goodies. Seriously, it was like opening a present. Like how all the ingredients are individually wrapped into each meal packet. That way there is no confusion over what ingredient goes to which meal. I was super excited to find that they gave you a binder. You guys know I love my binders. You know I love being organized. I couldn't wait to open that up and put my meal cards in the binder for safekeeping. I had ordered 4 meals, so I was putting the rest of the meals in the fridge for later this week. I decided to try out the Korean pork noodle bowl. That looked really good, and I love that everything was individually wrapped and individually labeled so that I could just get to cooking. The recipe instructions on the cards are very clear and easy to read, and also there are pictures just in case. You never know, sometimes you need a picture of like what is going on, and it was very easy to follow. This meal honestly took me maybe 30 minutes from start to finish to make, but it didn't taste like a quick meal. It tasted like, I don't know, something that I would get out of a restaurant. That's not me exaggerating. It was really, really good, really fresh ingredients, and as you can see, there was more than enough for the 3 of us, and we even had leftovers. That was super easy. This looks absolutely stunning. I cannot believe that I made this. I am so excited to try this. One of my favorite things to do is vacuum my couch. I just love getting rid of all the pet hair off of it, and my couch makes amazing vacuum lines. I love using my Method wood cleaner on my chalk painted piano. I use my Method on painted furniture, and it shines it up just as good as if it was bare wood. Wouldn't be spring cleaning if I didn't wipe down my kitchen cabinets. So I'm going to be wiping them starting from the top and working my way down on both sides of my kitchen. It's like laundry, there is always dishes to be done. What is it about watching a sink get cleaned that is super satisfying? Leave a comment below if you are like me and you just find it super satisfying to see the sink getting cleaned out.
Clouds roll by, glittering. I never thought they would let me in. A fading light, a distant call. The devil will never be welcome here at all. The sky is gray, I guess that's what it takes to feel a little lonely is a state.
Using my kitchen e-cloth to clean my ceramics that I have around my kitchen. It does a good job of wiping any grease or splatter or anything that might be on them.
Conceal nothing more. Lesson learned, a slight state of hope that you will return.
Self-clean on my oven yesterday, so I am just wiping out all the dust. I love using the self-clean feature. It just literally, look, it just wipes all the gunk off and it is amazing. Time I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser on the inside of my oven, but I wanted to see if it would work on the inside of the oven door, and it really did. It did an amazing job of getting any of the built-up grease off the door. I just sort of wiped it on, and then I'll take a microfiber cloth and wipe it off, and it came absolutely clean.
I do not remember those days at all, but I will never be here if it wasn't true. So let me be the one to hold you. Do you feel our love is the only thing that is real? It's like a heart with nothing to conceal.
But does daily vacuum, but I'm going to be mopping today, so I figured I would just do a quick vacuum with my Dyson to get any sort of crumbs that may be on the floor. And also, this wouldn't be a clean with me if I did not tackle my half bath. It is important to me to always make sure the half bath is ready for any unexpected guests.
I could dry out in the sun for you, follow the deep dark ocean down.
I am just going to do a quick spray down in here. I'm not going to be setting the table because my kids are going to be coming home and wanting to do homework, and basically destroy the table with all their papers and all the things.
Daydreaming is my new man.
Now for my favorite time of cleaning is when I get to use my spin mop. I love the way the vinegar and the Mrs. Meyer's cleans my floor. It smells amazing. The spin mop does a great job of leaving just enough water to clean with without leaving puddles on the floor. It is absolutely my favorite mop to use on my laminate wood floors.
Every step, every breath for you. My head's up over the clouds for you. If there's a valley, I'd build a bridge so that you could get by. It's not a game for me. Imagine it is my new best friend.
I hope you got some cleaning motivation from this, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Wednesday, Friday, and of course my Ray Down series every single Sunday. I hope you all have a happy weekend. If you'd like to try Home Chef for yourself, don't forget to click on the link in the description box below so you can get $20 off your first 4 boxes.